Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, وَقُلْ لَهُمَا قَوْلًا كَرِيمًا. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling that you have to use the noble words to your mom, to your dad. Do you understand? Again, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the next ayat Allah is telling, you have to always lower your voice to your parents. You should not humiliate to your parents. And you must do the dua. See, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is so grateful to us. He's teaching us how to supplicate to our parents, to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the parents. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is teaching, everybody please tell, Kama Rabbayani Saghira. This is the ayat and verse from Quran Kareem. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teaching us, teaching all the son and daughter, children, that you must do the supplicate, do the dua for your parents. How to do? Rabbi rahamhuma kama Rabbayani Saghira. Oh my dear Lord, oh my Creator, oh the Lord of all exists, oh the cherisher of the universe, please do the mercy upon my parents, mom and dad, as like they mercy, as like they love us during our little, when I was child. See, why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teaching? Do you know, in another ayah Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling, وَوَصَّيْنَا الْإِنسَانَ بِوَالِدَيْهِ إِحْسَانًا حَمَلَتْهُ أُمُّهُ وَهَنًا وَوَضَعَتْهُ ila akhir ayah. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in this ayah is telling, do you know why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says? Allah telling, this is the order and command from Almighty Allah exalted. You have to do the good behave, the best treatment to your mom, to your dad. And number two, because why? Your mom carried you weakness in weakness. That means when we was in the belly of our mom, with the stomach on the womb of our mom, our mom carried upon with a hardship. And during the birth, when he give birth, also that time he faced the lots of challenges and problems. After that, even when we were children and kids, we didn't know how to eat, we didn't know how to drink, we didn't know how to talk, we didn't know how to walk. My mom, my dad, they teach us how to talk, how to deal with, how to smile, and how to they love lots. During the winter time, now we know we have to wear that means winter dress. We have to wear the jacket and jumper because this outside that means very rainy and sunny fall. But during the winter, did we know? No.